I wanted to make it at home for a very long time and finally made it few days back, and guess what? It was super hit. It was easy to make as well. Yes, I'm talking about CAJUN potatoes. Let's start making it. Boil 20 baby potatoes in a pressure cooker for 2 whistles and cool it. Add 3 tablespoons of corn flour and add little water to make a slurry paste. Take these potatoes and smash it lightly. Heat oil in a pan. Coat smashed potatoes in corn flour mix and now drop it in hot oil. Fry till crispy. Don't turn it immediately. After 5 minutes, turn upside down. Leave it till it becomes crispy. Drain and set aside on wire rack for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drop again in hot oil and fry till it becomes more crispy. Drain it and keep aside. Take a bowl, add half a cup of mayo, add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of dried thyme and give it a good mix. And now I am going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. Mix nicely. And now the sauce is ready to use. Place potatoes on serving plate, pour sauce over it. Sprinkle some paprika powder on it and garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. And now serve. It tastes so delicious. The potatoes are crispy and the sauce is just perfect. Hope you guys like this recipe. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.